Coin. This is a Sendowl versus Gumroad video. So for the key features, Sendowl is not free to use, but Gumroad is. The transaction fee is lower in Sendowl compared to Gumroad. There is a limited hosted storefront when it comes to Sendowl, and it is available in Gumroad. You get excellent amount of integration with third party in Sendowl, but it's very limited with Gumroad. Customization in Sendowl is unlimited. In Gumroad, it is limited. Instant payout is yes with both of them, but in Gumroad, you have some fees, and Sendowl is good for high transactions, and Gumroad is good for low transactions. Now, which one to use? If you are looking for robust e-commerce back office, you need to pay a recurring monthly fee. You do not need a merchant of record. You need complete freedom to customize your store. You're aiming at high transaction volume, then Sendowl is the way to go. And if you're looking for a simple online storefront, you're not willing to pay any monthly fee, you need a merchant of record, you're happy with limited customizations, and you're aiming for low transaction volume, in that case, Gumroad is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.